डर सा भी लग रहा है, बहुत ही एक्साइटेड भी हूँ। My God! Bir is a small village in Himachal Pradesh and it is known as paragliding capital of India. It is world's second best site and Asia's best site for paragliding due to the suitable atmosphere for paragliding. Bir and Billing are two different villages. Billing is a takeoff point of paragliding and Bir is the landing site. The distance from Billing to Bir is around 15 kilometers. These two villages got major attraction from the tourists after the Paragliding World Cup held in 2015. For paragliding, you have two options. You can opt for tandem flight, which is with an instructor, or you can take a complete course of paragliding. The cost of tandem paragliding is from 2500 to 3000 rupees. बीर की सुबह जितनी सुंदर होती है उतनी हसीन यहाँ की शाम होती है। बीर में आपको हिमाचली और तिब्बतियन कल्चर का मिक्स मिलता है। छोटा सा गांव होने के बावजूद भी बीर में आपको रोजमर्रा के सारे सामान मिल जाएंगे। सो अगर आप वीकेंड ट्रिप में यहाँ आओ या फिर लॉन्ग स्टे के लिए, बीर हैज़ इट ऑल टू मेक यू फील लाइक होम। The best way to explore Bir is by two-wheeler, which will cost you 500 to 700 depending upon the season. You can also rent bicycles for the local cafe hopping or going to the landing site to witness beautiful sunset. There are a lot of unknown cafes with delicious food on the way to landing site. Bir is a place which has everything to offer to everyone. If you are an adventure seeker, you obviously have paragliding and the trek to amazing waterfalls and beautiful landscapes. If you love peace and serenity, you can explore the monasteries in Bir and also go to the nearby monasteries which are within 7 to 10 kilometers. Now let's talk about the itinerary or the planning to explore Bir in 2 to 3 days. On day 1, you can hire a scooty and explore the local monasteries in Bir.
इट्स अराउंड 7 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग। अपने डे की शुरुआत कर रहा हूँ मैं नियर बाय मोनेस्ट्री है जिसका नाम है डियर पार्क मोनेस्ट्री। डियर पार्क इंस्टीट्यूट भी कह सकते हैं, पहले ये मोनेस्ट्री थी बट यहाँ अब पढ़ाई भी होती है, कोर्सेज भी होते हैं।
You can also go to the famous BANGORU hidden waterfall. On the mountains, you come across a lot of small waterfalls, and this is one of such waterfall. You will have guides charging around 400 to 500 rupees per person and will help you to reach to the BANGORU hidden waterfall. But if you are in a group, you can reach there by yourself. This entire thing will take you around 3 to 4 hours. In the evening, you can go to the landing site to explore the cafes. Near to the landing site, you can explore the cafe in your due course of stay of 2 to 3 days. My favorite cafes are Himalayan Pizza and Cafe 16. Awaz Cafe for South Indian food. Northern Cafe for amazing sunsets are also on the landing site. These cafes are a little bit expensive, so to eat daily food, you can visit Vairagi Cafe, which is economical and is also on the way to landing site. Now on day 2, if you have only 2 days, you can go for paragliding in the morning. Try the option of paragliding in the evening and you are going to see the amazing sunset from the air.
सुबह के 9:30 बजे हैं और मैं हूँ बिलिंग में। बिलिंग जो बेसिकली 20 से 14 किलोमीटर आपको ऊपर है। यहाँ से टेक ऑफ होती है सारी ग्लाइड्स और वो लैंड करती है बीर में। तो तकरीबन ये 15 से 20 मिनट टेक ऑफ करने के बाद ये टाइम लगता है हमें नीचे पहुँचने में। डर सा भी लग रहा है, बहुत ही एक्साइटेड भी हूँ।
On day Day 2, with the rented scooty, you can go to Mata Maheshwari temple. You will have to hike up from the base point, but the views are amazing from the top, making it a worthy hike. You can also explore Vedanath temple, which is around 14 to 15 kilometers from Bir, and you can also go to the Sherapling monastery, which is one of the largest monastery around Bir.